Welcome. Let's start this vlog in a positive way. Wow, how good is this spot? Now, let's get into reality. We got to pack the car, the ute, and the caravans on the truck. And guys, we got to get that into this car. So this is our rental car. They've upped us to a Toyota Camry. Sofa's in the back. It's a hybrid. I've never driven a hybrid before. So, well, let's get the car packed and send it to Townsville. So guys, we're on the road, 900 and something k's to go to Townsville, but the morning didn't go to plan with the truck driver being a bit late. So what I'm going to do, because I couldn't be there, Sue recorded some footage of the caravan or the ute and caravan going onto the truck, so I'm going to drop those clips in now for you. So we've been driving now 250 k's in this vast landscape of nothing, and you don't realise how dry it is out here until you actually come and witness it yourself. It's just bloody crazy. It needs to rain here. I'm in the passenger seat for a bit. Sue's driving. I don't know if this is a good idea, but
I've been driving for longer than you have, young man.
I've been driving for just over 6 hours and I've had enough for a bit, so I've let Sue have a little go at the old at the wheel. We're about 340 k's from Townsville now. So yeah, we're just gonna, well, I'm gonna sit back and relax for 200 k's and I'll do the last little stint because it'll get dark and you got kangaroos to worry about. So that's why I thought I'll take a break now. So, looks like we're running into a little bit more drama. So the fuel lights come on in the car and the sign says 17 k's to the little town.
And we have 18 kilometers of fuel left.
So this is a touch and go as well. More drama. Listen, if we break down again, that's it. I'm packing it in. Let's hope we can make it.
You're not packing it in, but it's going to be a long walk to the fuel station.
Wow. Let's see how we go. Talk about living life on the edge. 3 k's to go, and we're at the servo. Well, I'm just gonna drop some fuel in the car because we've still got another 160 k's to go. Righto guys, we've arrived. 9 o'clock. Was it over 11 an hour drive? We've rushed into it a bit. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see, but we're setting up over here. The neighbour seems cool. Ran over and gave me a beer. But we're going to get the tent up and head straight to bed, and we'll catch you in the morning. Morning. What a night in a tent, camping away from camping. So I'm up. Got a message from the guy for the truck, and I've got to go and fetch the ute and the van, which is only just down the road, and get the rental car back to the airport. So let me show you around a bit. That's where we managed to set up last night, and just going to jump in the shower, wake up a little bit, and yeah, get the rental car back, pick up the ute and van, get the van back to the park, and then take the ute to the mechanic. Well, let's get it done. It's alright guys, wow, just at the airport, dropped off the rental car. Yeah, Toyota Corolla hybrid. It's a pretty cool car to drive, to be honest. Oh sorry, Toyota Camry hybrid. Beautiful car to drive actually, but now I'm just waiting for a taxi to take me over to where the ute and the caravan is, so I can grab that and head back to the caravan park to get it set up and I just want to get this thing to the mechanic so we can diagnose the problem. So there she is, boys. Woo! Looks like she's in one piece. Now I just got to go in here and grab my keys. Red Don's Towing. There we go. Uber driver wasn't a very chatty bloke, but so I didn't have the camera on in there. But anyway, let's get these keys. So guys, picked up the ute and the van. Guys, this has been such an easy process with RACQ. They've been absolutely bloody legends. Big shout out to them. But I'm only about 11 minutes from where we camped last night. So we were at the Townsville Tourist and Lifestyle Resort or something like that. And we're gonna get this van back and get it set up so we can head to the mechanic. So, some information about our park. Where are we? Townsville Tourist and Lifestyle Village, guys. Only thing I can say about the park is that road's pretty noisy, and you'll see where they parked us. But yeah, office on the right, $203 for the week. That's with the Good Day membership discount that we only just joined. If we had known about it, we would have joined it when we left. We would have saved some money. But anyway, and then just up the front, site number 3 is where we are. The reason why they parked us there is they thought the tow truck was actually coming here to drop off the ute and caravan, but unfortunately it didn't work out the way we thought. So anyway, it's a good spot. I'll show you why. So you've actually got a parking for your ute, which some caravan parks you don't, and you've got to park sort of in front of your caravan, but yeah, which is a positive. And then we got a cement slab as well for that price. And I mean, there's a few caravans around, people traveling, which is good, but there's also caravan sites at the back of this caravan park, which we only found out when we took a walk. We walked Sophie down there, and it's actually quite nice. It's a bit more secluded, a bit more quiet, but anyway, worked out that way. So here we are. Sorry about the mess. Take some stuff out the ute when we took the ute to the mechanic, which has been there for a few days, but good news is it's getting repaired, and hopefully get it back in a few days. So got just behind the caravan, got an ablution. It looks fairly new, it's clean, it's almost brand new, which is good. Dump point not too far from us, and swimming pool and communal kitchen, which I haven't used the pool yet. Sue's been for a swim, but today is a pretty hot day in Townsville, so I'll go and then jump in the pool. So guys, just a quick update on the ute. The ute's at NP Mechanical and Tyre Solutions. We're cooked the transmission up in the NT by the looks of things. Michael and his boys have taken apart the transmission, ordered the parts from Brizzy. Should be up here in the next few days, and he'll put it back together and we can get back on the road. On behalf of myself and Sue, we just want to thank all those people that have sent us messages on Instagram, Facebook, and our YouTube channel, supporting us over the last 3.5 weeks while we've been broken down. A big thank you. You guys have kept our spirits and our positivity up, and can't wait just to get back on the road. But also, thank you to those people who have up to our channel. We really appreciate the support, and those people that have not yet subscribed, hit the little subscribe and notification bell down below. We really appreciate the support on our little channel. But guys, until we can get back on the road, I'm gonna go for a swim. You guys have a great week, and we'll see you next week Sunday. See ya.